Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaner. This 2x concentrated formula provides 2x more active ingredients compared to non-concentrated Fabuloso original, making it a powerful and effective cleaning solution for a wide range of surfaces. From floors to furniture to appliances, this multi-purpose cleaner is a game changer. The refreshing lemon scent provides long-lasting freshness, and with 50% less plastic used by following dosing instructions, you'll get twice as many uses out of one bottle compared to the same size of Fabuloso original. But that's not all. Fabuloso is also available in a variety of other scents including lavender, passion of fruits, citrus fruits with baking soda, bleach alternative spring fresh, tropical spring, and orange with baking soda. And for those who prefer a bleach-free option, Fabuloso 2X Concentrated Liquid Multi-Purpose Cleaner has 20% more active ingredients than other products. With a range of convenient sizes available, including 16, 9 ounces, 28 ounces, 33.8 ounces, 56 ounces, 128 ounces, 169 ounces, and 210 ounces, there's no reason not to make Fabuloso a staple in your cleaning arsenal. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and cost-effective cleaning solution, click the link in the description below to get your hands on Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaner today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.